6:50 in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's 6:50 in the morning and we're here at the May Floors Hotel and Lodging. Dito natin minute yung the rest of the group ng Ramtat at pupunta ngayon tayo ng Takadang. Hopefully, matagos natin yung Takadang at makalabas tayo ng Alilem, La Union. Hopefully. And stay tuned, guys. Ito yung episode na to na finally matutuloy na tayo sa Takadang. Guys, pakilala ko lang mga team members natin. We have Kafu. Oh, pa-fist bump lang, guys. Mavs. Chris.
Yeah.
Si J.
Morning.
Milo. Ayan, si Milo. Kilala nyo na yan. Hali. Wax. Ayun. Kompleto na ang team. Ramtat.
Dangerous.
Yes, kompleto na. Kilala nyo na. Ayun, ang team Ramtat, guys. And we're riding to Takadang. Sana matagos natin sa Alilem, La Union. God willing. Thank you po.
Everyone.
Lahat naman tayo nakasena na, no? Registry off as usual.
Yan, guys, kilalanin natin yung mga bikes ni Ramtat. So, yeah, Edsel, sa akin yan. I'm riding the 790. Then we have Triumph Scramblers 1. Triumph Scrambler 2. Triumph Scrambler 3.
Kailangan yung umidlip, ha?
Triumph Scrambler 4.
Gising na gising kami.
4. Then we have kay Wax, CF Moto MT 450. Kay Chris, we have the RE Himalayan Scrum 411. Yun. And then kay Milo, we have the FKM Falcon 400. Ayun. Yan. May biro kami dito pero mamaya na yan. Okay, we'll gear up, guys. See you later. Hey guys, good morning. Check out the view. We're here at the I Love Beleng Belize. Yun. Beleng Belize. Kipunan. Ali. Yeah. Kapu. Chris. Mavs.
Hi.
Milo. Wax. Ay, grabe, solid. Teka, tatalo na ako. Ay, joke lang. Kopya, kopya. Morning, sir. Morning. Takadang. Oo. May truck. Thank you. Thank you. I just need to air up. Kaya important to. Masyadong malambot. Mahirap naman yun. Kailangan tama lang. That was the first gate, guys. The first gate of Takada. It's behind me. Go lang, guys. Go lang. Para may proper distancing tayo. Momentum lang, momentum. Hindi kaya ng video. Ano, kuya, front brake. Front brake. Teka, antayin nyo na ako para 5 tayo.
Sige. Ipili ko pagbaba nyo.
I-first gear mo, first gear. Yan,
Sige.
front brake.
1, 2,
Taas yung muna. Wait lang. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Ayun, pakyat.
Hindi, sakyan mo. Tutulak ka na lang mataas. Sige, sakyan mo.
Sir, dumukunin siguro. Mas matraction siya siguro doon.
Sakyan mo.
Kaya mo dito.
Tutulak ka namin.
May binawas ako.
Nagbawas ka na? Kanina pa bumibitaw eh.
Bawas ka pa, mamaya. Sandali, parang okay lang ba ganito?
Oo, ganyan pa rin.
Start.
Patayin mo yung ano sir, di ba may ano yan? Bis pa tama yun?
Dandan lang, yan. Waiting point. Yan, traction lang, traction.
Tawa mo class, tawa mo.
Dali sa manibela. O, sige, dyan na. Huwag mo na baguhin. Dyan na. Dali sa manibela. Dali na. Wax, dito mo lang muna. Dali mo na. Sige, dali mo. O, 1, 2, 3, tulak!
Dapat sir, momentum kayo. Huwag mo tatagilid eh, babawi yan. Momentum mo lang muna.
Dali sila.
Oo.
Sige, sa kisaan.
Sige lang, diretso mo na.
Oh, yan, sabi ko, ito. Preno. Okay, pwede na yan.
Pwede na.
Sir. Sir, momentum. Maganda siguro kanan. Dry na yan eh.
Yung kanan, ano?
Madulas yan. Pero
Tama.
kung makukuha mong buhay.
Thank you, Elliot. Ano ka lang, magpe-pray ka lang. Takadang, let's go! Si Chris, okay si Chris? Going up. Okay, okay. Okay. I'm in. Nice. Andiyan na, umakyat na. Chris, wait for me.
No side stand ako.
Sige, hawakan mo lang yan, hali. We got this. Kala coach. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Side stand.
Wait.
Up.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Side stand natin. Okay. Hinga muna. Ali, hinga ka lang din. Kailangan ng ano eh. Sige, teka. Since andyan ka na, ikaw na unahin ko. Wait. Hanap lang mahawakan na. Then top box bracket. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait, pa. Atras konti, atras. Oo, tama si ano.
Malalim na pala itong ano.
Oo, hindi over dyan.
Sige, i-clutchin mo lang, hali.
Kaklatch yun
1, 2, 3.
Preno, bitaw clutch. Oh, bitaw clutch. Yun. Diretso lang, sir. Okay, ras.
Atras pa.
Ras. Okay, off yan.
Dip.
Sir.
Yan, sige.
Ano mo ba dyan, sir? Pahahunin mo dito.
Kailangan ko lang na alalim mag-mount.
Sige, hawak ko.
Lilipat mo muna yung gulong sa harapan dito, sir, para maka...
Atras mo pa konti, hali. Para nakalinya kang pa ganun. Atras pa. Yan. Okay. Isa pa.
Madali lang, sir, ah.
Ito. Takadang boys.
Hindi ko ma-imagine talaga yung buhay ng lokal dito. Kung sa Ubo, ang hirap na. Ito, pumunta ka ng bayan.
Talking about the struggles of going up Takadang. So yeah, first hand. And ano talaga siya? It's trickier than what you see sa mga videos.
Hindi mo kita
yun.
sa videos yung tarik eh.
Yes.
Saka yung surface difficulty.
Yung surface. Yun. There's a lot of inclines and declines. Right. Important is we're together, we're having fun. Yes. Team Ramtat, let's Yes. Nice one. Look at that. Kumusta off-road?
Meron pang off-road?
Patag na off-road. Oh, kalsada lang, oh. Ano sila? Woo woo woo! Kapo. Je. Yes. Oh guys, look at this. Beautiful falls. Yeah, Mia waterfalls. Guys, ito yung ano, we're entering the gates. I'm entering the gates. Yeah, this is a gate. I'm in the gates. There's no stopping. It's downhill. I'm not stopping. Tuloy lang. Nag-clear ang fog. Nag-clear din ang fog. Nag-clear din ang fog. It's downhill. Wala, malayo. Whew, holy hell. Holy hell. Oh. Yeah. Good.
Masakit, coach.
Tuhod. Pero okay lang. Yeah, okay lang. Yung dapat dito masyado ka nasa gilid na. Ikaw din Si Hali pa yung nauna. Basic. Yan guys FKM Falcon 400, pinakauna sa Philippines na nakarating dito sa Mighty Gate of Takadang number 4. Diyan.
Kontakin mo lang ako sa modifications.
Yes. Yan. Pwede din mag-trail guide yan. Parang lokal yan. Pwede kayong trail guide. Okay guys, ito na ang Takadang Gate number 4 with the Ramtat team. And we're gonna have lunch sa community moving ahead. Pero after nyan, babalik ulit kami dito. Okay, papuntang Alilem. So time check, it's 12:16. Okay, noon time. So sakto lang for lunch. The team's good. Mga impressions ko tungkol sa Takadang is it's very steep. Yun, ano siya talaga, mountain. Comparing this to Mount Ugo, parang medyo mas mahirap pala si Takadang. Although ito dinadaanan ng mga 4x4 na sasakyan, parang it feels more technical. Okay, kailangan, and yung mga ahon kasi dito, kailangan magko-commit ka talaga. Hindi po mahirap tumukod sa gitna ng ahon. So the commitment is very important. So just want to show you the gates. Ito yung gates of Takadang, number 4, the mighty gates, number 4. Ayan, of course si Joaquin flying his drone. Ito si Hali nasa baba with J. Ayan, it's compact. Medyo thankful kami na hindi umulan the past few days. It's just foggy. Pero pagka umulan dito, yun na yung medyo nagiging tricky na yung So, nagiging tricky na yung terrain. So yan yung barangay dito, barangay Takadang. Yan, Takadang. Meron silang konting road pavement. Yun, para medyo mahirap kasi yung siko na yan. Tapos wow, it's really a colossal setup here. Ito, talagang kinarve nila, okay? Kinarve talaga yung bundok. Okay, so we're in between the mountain, okay, para makarating. And it's quite unbelievable na may community sa dulo nitong Takadang. And even riding motorcycles, our group brought some items that we can give sa community. Of course, these are just small items. Pero it's really the thought and yung parang yung thought na hindi namin kinakalimutan yung mga locals. Yun yung importante. Okay? Thank you so much. that mountain. Nice. Wow. Oh, look at the rice terraces sa baba. Grabe. I've never seen such well-lined rice terraces ever. Look at that. Grabe. Wow. Guys, so beautiful. Yan guys, may community dun sa side. Yun na ata yung Takadang Barangay. Tapos yung view niya, napakagandang rice terraces. Grabe. Pogi nyo naman. Grabe. Oh. Yan. Ito si Hali. No more.
Ilan kayo, sir? Ano?
10 po yata o 12.
Oh, wow.
O 14. Pauwi na po kayo ngayon?
Opo, pababa na. Ilan?
Lilim. Bukas na po kami dun eh. Saan pala kaliwatan?
Wala, Marvin. Yan.
Yung simento masabi eh.
Ayos.
Galing. Andun yung mga kasama nyo.
Nabitin sa pak.
Hello.
Bitin eh.
Hello po. Okay naman. Doon kami lunch.
Asa kayo nag-lunch?
Doon kala ate.
Okay. Doon kami ngayon pupunta yata eh.
Yes. And then, masarap coffee nila.
Okay.
Tapos, we're gonna exit Alilem.
Dito na. Exit na kayo?
Yes.
Tomorrow pa kami.
Oo nga. Enjoy nyo. Ganda ng view doon.
Okay.
Yeah.
First time din namin eh.
Oo.
Lahat kami actually, first time.
Yeah, kami din po. Kami din. Yes. First time din.
Mahirap pala.
Yun guys, update lang. After nung lunch namin kaila ate dun sa Crying Mountain, Lest Eng, Rice Terraces, ito paakyat na. Ako na yung pinakahuli. It's very foggy. Okay, halos zero visibility. This is Mighty Gates number 4. Yun yung kakalagpas lang. Number 3 is up ahead. So I need to traverse this road going uphill. Yan, medyo nagpapahingal ako ng konti. Dahil kailangan mag-commit dito. Yung mga gantong uphill, etong video, just, hindi nyo kita eh. Yan. Pero hindi pwedeng huminto. Kita nyo, nahinto na ako. Dahil nag-stall na yung bike. Dahil gusto pa niya ng power. Mas mabilis dapat. Yan. So, kailangan dito, siguro nakatayo na ako. Yan. Kaya, I'm just building up my strength. So, yan guys. Wish me luck. Guys, andito na kami sa junction ng decision point. Whether iikot kami going back or tutuloy namin yung Alilem. So, this is a fork. Yan yung pa-Alilem. Ito, going back sa Kayapa. Reverse. Kita nyo, umuulan, it's zero visibility. Ako, talagang na-challenge kami lahat dun sa paahon nung sa gates ng Takadang. Tapos, visibility was very low. To make it worse, umulan pa. So, the conditions are really going against us right now. And, tinan natin, we're just waiting for the group. Yun guys, yung update, live update. Nandito tayo sa junction. Mahirap guys. Mahirap. Ayan guys, we decided to go back. We're turning back. Pabalik na kami. Babalik na kami going back to Kayapa, to Baguio. With this kind of condition, hindi namin kayang i-risk. And yung guide na namin nagsabi na hindi natin matatagos yung Alilem. So now we're going back. So it's now... Yeah, it's now 5 o'clock. So, habulin na namin to. We take in as much light as we can habang kaya pa. Yes.
Left path.
Left. Copy. Ito guys, yung condition ngayon dito sa Takadang. Yan, ganyan yung close-up niyan. Yan. Kasama ko si Chris from the MMDA Motorcycle Riding Academy.
Nice.
Guys, we're finally out of the trail. It's 9 p.m. Nung 9 a.m. 12 hours ago, dito kami kumaliwa, pumasok kami. Mula dito sa main road, pumasok kami dito papuntang Takadang. And 12 hours after, nakalabas na kami. And I can confirm right now na mas mahirap si Takadang versus Mount Ugo. You really just have to respect it. And you need to be mentally tough as a rider to do this. But I'm happy na ginawa namin as a group. We're a total of 8 riders. And mas nakilala ko din tong motor ko. At mas nag-improve lalo kami. Kami lahat nag-improve kami ng skills because of this ride. So, grabe, na-challenge ako doon, guys. Na-challenge talaga ako. There was a time when I had to dig deep. Take my time, dig deep. Ito yung time na sa Mighty Gates 4 nakahanging. Umuulan na, simula ng umulan. And nakastop yung bike. So I had to muster all my strength and skill to be able to go up. And thankfully nagawa naman. So with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. And I hope you can try Takadang as well. I'm very thankful to have had the experience. So this is Coach Edsel. Thank you for watching. Remember, our motorcycle is here to give us good memories and to give value to our lives. So ride safe po tayo parate, and God bless.